All right, guys. On a little late today. Damn. All right, I'm on a little late today. We are on NQ like usual, and already off rip. Prices tapping into Asia low. Don't mind the background. I'm babysitting right now, but yeah, I'm on Asia low. What the hell? What's this stat? Let me get rid of that. All right. Anyways, yeah, but we have our key levels marked out. We have all right down here. We have London low. Up here we have Asia low. This is a. Let me go to the 1 hour. The yellow, like usual, per usual, are hourly highs and hourly lows. Blue line up here, London high. Red line up here, Asia high. We have this purple, the purple lines. These are 4 hour highs. Other draws on liquidity. We have some 4 hour lows down here. Um, Looking at the 1 day, my daily bias is long. I want to take longs today. Um, because I feel like 9:30 is about to open. Let me hurry up and get this out. All right. But looking at the 1 day, right? We're close to setting all-time high. We had an all-time high set, and then we came down, we collapsed, and then we came all the way back up. So I'm expecting a new all-time high to be set. But we gotta have a green day, and I think this red day, if we have to go red today, I think it's just gonna be the retracement market needs to go higher. So yeah, yeah, it's a Sonic. Um, so, but on the 5 minute, market just opened. On the 5 minute, we're already starting off good. I want to take longs today. I like the idea of longs, especially because we just had a liquidity sweep on the 5 minute, right? Let me turn this damn magnet off. We had a liquidity sweep right here on the 5 minute. And I'm expecting price to rally back up, but I don't know. We got to see. Price just tapped that Asia high. I mean, that Asia low, and it's starting to ramp back up. So I don't know. Got to find an entry. So we have this order block zone right here. Why is it giving me paint? We have this order block right here. We're going to box out this order block in case price goes higher. And we have a breaker structure up here to enter. But it's looking like, I don't know. My daily bias is long, but it's looking like market wants to go short. So we might have to go short. I don't know. I'm not sure. There is no news today. Oh, it is. Trump speaks today. What? That's crazy. I did not know that. I could have sworn there was no news today. Trump speaks at 10 today. Wow. And then tomorrow we have CPI. That's like super pretty big. Wednesday, no news. Thursday, core PPI. That's another serious news event. And then Friday, we have all this stuff. I did not know Trump was speaking at 10 today. We might not be trading. But Asia, but we have these Asia lows right here. They're getting taken out. Okay, I'll turn it off. My price is interacting with these lows. Hourly lows. All right. We have this order block right here. We could try to. Let me see. Hold on. There we go. Price is interacting. Price just hit Asia low. It's reacting to it. Um, Trying to see what's going on. So we might have to short today. I don't know. But let's scale down to the 1 minute. Get like an actual idea what's going on. So we just swept this Asia. So we just swept Asia low. We have this breaker block marked out. We have a breaker structure right here. That's letting us know trend is changing for real, for real. So shit, honestly, this is going. I don't want to rush and enter, but let me see. Let me see if I can get equilibrium on this. So from this high down to this high, equilibrium will be coming back up to this blue. Honestly, I don't want to just rush and enter. Let's see what this. We have a breaker structure, so we're confirmed in the downtrend. Let's see if we can hit equilibrium. Mark that shit wrong. This low down to. All right, hit equilibrium. I'm not just gonna press buy right now, but we're in a discount to buy. Just swept Asia low. All right. Coming back up. Let me turn this cross off. Coming back up with bearish movement. Um, Looks like we're about to get another breaker structure right here. Um, go back to the 5 minute. All right. Got a leg up. See, we have this order block. This order block could be a retracement to enter off short. I do want to go higher. I do want to take longs, but this order block could just be giving us a retracement. I'm not sure. Just giving us a retracement that we possibly needed. Try this out a little bit better for you guys. But if we bearish pass here again, I'll just enter. Honestly, that's too generous. I give it right here. If we bearish past this candle, like full strong bearish momentum, I'll enter. Just look to take shorts. I don't imagine we're gonna go too low today, though. Like if we were to go too low, if we were to go bearish, I don't imagine we'll go too bearish. Like I really want to take longs, but I don't know. Longs may not be in our play today. 9:37. Yeah, I think longs may be chopped. We still don't have a break of structure yet. All right, this candle just broke structure. Had a break of structure in this candle. Don't forget, this order block is right here. So I'm not going to enter just yet because I don't know if this is going to keep continuing going up or if I don't know if this is just retracing into this order block to give to fill orders so price could just keep going down bearish. I don't know yet. Um I'm just trying to see what's going on. If it could just um, honestly, I would just enter and ride with my daily bias. I'm trusting it. We swept Asia lows. I don't want to rush it. I'll look for an entry past this one. Sweep this high, create create a new higher high. I'll look for that. After that, if we get to this zone, I'll start looking for an entry. Still have this order block in here. But now, in case the trend has changed, we have a new order block down here that we could possibly try to get a retracement into. Uh, well, everything, this is moving pretty fast today. And we got 20 minutes into the news. I don't even know if I want to take a trade because Trump speaks at 10. I don't even know if I want to trade. Like, I don't know. I really don't know. Like 20 minutes, like price action needs to be fucking swift. Get us in and get us out. Cause I do not want to like, bro, that's high impact. I mean, it's not a red folder, but that's gonna do some crazy shit to the market. So I don't even want to be in a trade while Trump is like even speaking. But it's looking like that might have been the retracement price needed for this order block. Just seeing, just looking for my entry, just trying to be patient and see what market is doing. Um, because my bias, I don't know if it's going against my bias or going with my bias. But right now, we have a higher high. We're on an uptrend right now, so this is the low. If we could get a closure below this low, I'll probably just enter short. We can get a bearish closure below this low, I'll enter short. TP will probably be to London low. TP will probably be to London low. Or we go to contracts, so I'll probably put a partial at London low and TP down to this hourly low. But I want to see a break of structure first. Mm, holding strong. My bias might be good. It might be might be good. Bias might be good. Bias might be good. I don't know. We got to see how this candle closes. I want to see a break structure, set a new high, above this white line. I want to see it fully close above that white line. Then, if it fully closes above that white line, I feel 100% comfortably entering. Like, I'll probably enter like right then and there. Just want to see it close above it. All right, there we go. Order. Oh no, I chopped myself. We're gonna go to. Actually, we're gonna go to Asia High. I'm gonna set a profit at. Should I set a? Should I set a? Set a partial? I might set a partial to this hourly high. Check our time frames. 30 minute. We're doing all right on the 30. The 1 hour, we're green on the 1 hour. We're green on higher time frames, so I'm not even stressing. Also, I want to thank you guys, bro. We hit 40 subscribers. That's pretty good. That's just like after 1 week of posting. So I want to thank you guys so much for that. Like, you guys have been showing a lot of support to the channel. Thank you so much. I've been getting a lot of questions and stuff, you know. And thank you guys just for being interested in the channel. This is looking choppy, so I'm gonna set it partial. Mm, yeah. If this trade isn't like closed by 9:55 ish, I'm just gonna exit it. I'm just gonna exit it manually, not going against my strat or anything, or that I'm scared or anything. Well, I am scared that it's not gonna be done before noon, so that's why I'm gonna close at like 9:55. So in the next 10 minutes, if this isn't like, no matter where it's at, if it's down or if it's up, we're closing it, and then we're just gonna like stick it out past news. But this candle has to really go in our favor. Honestly, 2, 3, 7, 5, 6. We're in buy, so we're gonna hit sell. All right. Partial right here on this hourly high, and then full take profit at Asia high. But I don't know if this got to swing our way. I'm pretty like we swept Asia low. No way we don't rally and sweep Asia high. Damn, bro. There's a lot of bearish pressure. We got 7 more minutes. 7 more minutes, and then I'll just come back post. So I'll just literally exit this and then come back post news. So around probably 11 a.m. I don't know. Can we please just get a closure above? We can just get a candle that closes above that. Was Gucci. Gucci. Man, it's 9:50. We got 5 more minutes. We got 5 more minutes, bro. Because I really do not want to get caught in like news. I traded NQ on news one time. Canon event. Very horrible experience. I don't want to do that again. So, however, this trade is, if it, I don't care if it's at fucking negative 300, we're closing it like right away because that shit would demolish you, bro. We need a candle to go in our favor, or we might be chopped. And it needs to happen fast, bro. Fast, like fast. It's, 4 minutes. Bro, 3 minutes. I don't think we're gonna get it. I think we're probably gonna have to scrap this trade and then just come back post market and try to find an entry. Um, because I'm not expecting this to go our way. I don't think this is gonna like trade like close before news comes, and I don't want to be caught in news. Three more minutes. Can you give me something, fam? Give me something. Because I did not know. I should have checked this shit before, but I literally checked this like literally yesterday. There was no news today. Like today was a no news day. All right. Yeah, we got stopped out. But shit. All right. Yeah. Yeah, 625. Um, I'm trying to see what the hell. I mean, I got one more trade in me for today. I'll probably go to micro because I don't want to risk too much today. Um, but once again, that news event is coming up in literally 5 minutes. So I think that's just a sign to just lock out on the day. Honestly. So I might just be honestly, I'm just done for today. Honestly, I'll take this minus 625 and just go on with it. I probably should have waited a little bit, and I should have fucking known that this was coming. I should have just checked. I literally typed up the tab, had it open. I didn't open the tab. Like as soon as it loaded, I switched back over to here so I could start the video because I was just gonna switch, show you guys that there was no news. I thought it was no news, but there was news today. If I knew there was news at 10, I would have probably just got off and waited. But I don't. Yeah, man, it's crazy. We literally got stopped out. This is just like I don't know. I gotta go watch back and see where I went wrong. I probably, like I said, I entered too early. Okay, but sure, market literally just stopped me out, and like what happened? Like this was a perfect entry. We had a breaker structure. We hit equilibrium. Um, there was bullish momentum. It's just I don't know. But when I go back and watch the tape, I'll see. Um, I don't want to take one more trade. I don't want to get greedy and try to revenge trade or anything. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Um, whether this goes and hits London highs or not, which I hope it fucking doesn't. But yeah, bro. If I probably moved my stop down to like here, it probably would have been straight because that seems like what it's doing right now. See, if we get a breaker structure, I don't know, 4 minutes now. Nah. How about this? I'm gonna lock back out. I'm gonna lock out until 10. So I'm gonna lock out until 11, an hour from now. I'm gonna come back in an hour. Let's just see where this goes at though. That's so crazy, bro. That was literally going. That was going up, like when we needed this shit. Wow, it's finna go hit London High. It's finna hit our our partial, and then it's gonna go hit Asia High. Watch it. And there was nothing wrong with that trade. That was a pretty good entry. Yeah, I could have been patient and got, yeah, I could have been patient, but that was like a good entry. Like we just got fucking stopped out. Like we didn't set our stop low enough. I should have probably instead of just setting my stop down up here, I should have set it down below this high. I mean below this low to say. But honestly, bro, I'm not even mad at that. I didn't want to risk that much. You know what I mean? Because say this shit did come all the way down and start going. Yeah, but recording ended. But yeah, like I was saying, like that really sucks. I just didn't like set my stop to the right spot. Damn, we'll be swimming right now. We'll be looking beautiful. But news is about to kick in 2 minutes to see what it does to the market. And let me show you guys why I was so scared to, why I am so scared to trade news. It's literally finna turn 10 o'clock in a couple minutes. But who knows? This probably could have worked out in our favor. But 9 times out of 10, it never does. It does not work out in your favor unless you're probably in a short or something. But like, you're gonna see on this candle. You're gonna see in the next 30 couple of seconds. Let's just see. Let's just see what it does. This candle has 25 seconds. 16, 15. Let's just wait and see. Damn. All right, it's 10. Bro, if this news goes bullish, bro, I'm gonna be pissed. Wow. So it wouldn't even have mattered. All right, here we go. I just want to see what it does. Damn, bro. I should have. It's straight. It's straight. We'll come back at like 11. If there's anything there, is anything there, we'll take it. We'll probably be able to scrap this debt down, but if it's not, oh well, we got another day to trade. We're still up $1,000. Um, like this is great. You know what I'm saying? Like nothing is like bad about this. This is a loss. It's supposed to happen. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later.